Okay, so let's move to the another question. This is about the body mass index. Okay, so what are the questions they can ask? They can ask you what is body mass index. They can give you a clinical situation where the weight of the body is this and the height is this and calculated. Okay, this kind of question can be asked. Here they are asking you what is the formula. It is very easy. The body mass index is simply and it is a widely used, it is a screening tool to assess the person's body fat based on the weight and the height. Okay. So it is basically a screening tool which is used to assess the body fat. Okay, screening tool which is used to assess a person body fat based on the weight and based on the height. The formula is weight per kg divided by height per meter square. Now suppose if the weight of the person is 70 and the height is 1.75 meter, then the BMI is 22.86. Okay, so this is should know height in meter. So 1.75 meter. Okay, so according to the WHO classification for the adult, the body mass index, if it is less than 18.5, they are considered as underweight. Okay, the normal is about 18.5 to 25. So this can be asked in the MCQs. What is the normal body mass index? In which category the body mass index is 30 to 35. Okay, they can ask you. So you should know the chart also. This is basically a WHO classification of the body mass index. So if it is less than 18, then it is your underweight. If it is more than 25, then it costs to be an overweight. If it's 30 to 35, then it is known as obese in the class 1. Okay, so you should know this one. What is the WHO classification? The key point of this here, these are easy and the non-invasive. You don't have to do anything. It's an easy and non-invasive. They help to assess the chronic disease. Suppose a person is suffering from the diabetes, ulcerative colitis, or cancer, anything. They basically help to risk the of the chronic diseases. Okay, like heart disease, hypertension. But limitation is what? They do not distinguish between the muscles and the fat. So muscle fat and the body fat, they cannot distinguish. This is a limitation. Remember, the limitation is that does not distinguish between the muscles and the fat. Between muscle and fat. Okay, so this should be noted. Now they can ask you what is the BMI is used for. Okay, they can be used to know the nutritional status. They can ask you one question, what is the basal metabolic index is used to. It is a body mass index is used for. The body mass index is used to know the nutritional status. Okay, so they can ask you what is the not the following a limitation. The limitation is what? They cannot differentiate between the fat and the muscle fat from the lean body mass. Okay, so does not consider the muscles mass. So this is the limitation. So let's move to the another MCQ.